So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then once we're here, make sure that you're on the playback tab. Now you want to double click on your speakers. And then once you're on this, you want to go to the enhancements tab. You want to tick disable all enhancements. You want to tick this box and then click on OK. Now we're going to click on communications. You want to select do nothing and then click on OK. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the automated diagnostics. You want to go through all the steps that will come up here for you and then see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to unplug your speakers and then restart your computer and then just plug it in again. Hopefully this will not fix your problem.